Welcome to another 1-minute episode of Microsoft 365 Time Savers, where you can learn time-saving tips and tricks that you can use today in Microsoft 365. Today, I'm going to show you how to improve project coordination in Teams. Project managers often keep a tracker in PowerPoint or Excel, pulling work streams together in a single reporting view, but the file is not always easy for others to find or help. Keep up to date in the team from the general channel. You can create a new tab and select Excel, and select the Excel sheet used to track the project deliverables. Then rename the tab to something like Team Tracker. You can also do this with PowerPoint or Planner if that's your preferred tool. If you do this for all your projects, others can always find your project trackers in a logical, easy-to-find destination without needing to leave Teams. This empowers everyone to make their own updates whenever they want and as they happen, resulting in fewer follow-up messages. But most importantly, you'll always be ready to present your latest project status in meetings without needing to chase everyone down.